We're going to quickly run through how to send an invoice through Xero with Crezco, and then how does that look for your payer when they're going through the payment flow. So it's super easy. Once you set up your Crezco account with Xero, all you need to do is raise your invoices as you usually would. All you need to do is then click approve, and then at the top on the invoice, you'll see an online payment section. So if you already had a different online payment option, they would show up here, and it's something that you're very used to. You can switch quite easily between the two, but as you can see, Crezco will appear. Email that directly to the client, so no difference there. They'll just have the online invoice link, but they'll also have a pay now button. The client will receive an email, something that looks like this. So as you can see, it is coming from the company name, and you'll be presented with a pay now button, but also the view invoice online. So either or, if they click on both, they'll be presented with the invoice and then go straight out to the checkout solution. So here, because I'm viewing the invoice online, if you had your bank details, they would show up here at the bottom, or they can click on the pay online. So as soon as they click out that, they'll be presented to the Crezco checkout screen. So as you can see here, we're just recapping all the information that was on the Xero invoice. So we've got paying Ralph Roge or company XYZ, the amount that was on the invoice, and then the reference of that, and then your details. I then click confirm. I choose the account that I want to pay from, so in my case, Revolut. And then a couple of options here. So you can either scan the QR code to then continue on your mobile phone. That would basically just do a Face ID or a fingerprint ID and authorize the payment. So in this case, I'll just continue on my phone. So all I need to do is scan the QR code, and it will take me automatically into my Revolut account. So as you can see here, it's only just done a Face ID, and then I can authorize that payment. But super important to note, we don't see any of these details. We've just pushed the payment information, so paying Crezco, 12p, and these are the details. Do I authorize? Yes. So Revolut will now make that transaction straight away. So it will leave my Revolut account now, and it will credit that bank account instantly. As you can see on the desktop, it will show you the progress of that information now as well. So that payment has now been made. If you were to go into your Xero account, it will be marked as paid.